social media platforms aren't always the best place to build your own online community. While those platforms are great for building an audience, they're not built to help you manage user data or sell memberships. That's why you need a no-code platform that lets you build your own social network with the exact features and membership plans you want. So today's discussion is about this no-code software. So let's begin. The software I will discuss today is Raklet. Raklet is a code-free community building platform that lets you manage memberships, host paid events, sell courses, and keep users engaged. Features: all-in-one platform to grow your audience. Build a private community with just the features you need, no more, no less. Use the built-in database to track user activity, store information, and manage memberships. Use the built-in newsletter tool to keep your community members in the loop. Raklet lets you connect your community to over 4,000 productivity tools and more. Price: free. 50 contacts and some limited features are included for free. Essentials: 1,000 contacts and more useful features for $59 per month billed monthly and $49 per month billed annually. Professional: 2,000 contacts and increasing everything from the Essential plan for $119 per month billed monthly and $99 per month billed annually. Premium: 10,000 plus contacts and everything increased from the Professional plan for $399 per month billed monthly and $299 per month billed annually. And Enterprise: everything is unlimited. This is a custom plan. That means you should contact them for this plan. But they have some lifetime deals. License Tier 1: unlimited boards, 250 contacts, 1 GB storage, 1,250 emails per month, and payment transaction fees, 3% plus 60 cents per charge, in addition to Stripe fees, $429 instead of $177. License Tier 2: unlimited boards, 1,000 contacts, 5 GB storage, 5,000 emails per month, payment transaction fees, 3% plus 60 cents per charge, in addition to Stripe fees, and custom CSS for $59 instead of $708. License Tier 3: unlimited boards, 2,000 contacts, 10 GB storage, 10,000 emails per month. Payment transaction fees, 2.5% plus 60 cents per charge, in addition to Stripe fees, custom CSS, and custom domain for $99 instead of $1,428. License Tier 4: unlimited boards, 3,000 contacts, 20 GB storage, 15,000 emails per month, payment transaction fees, 2.5% plus 60 cents per charge, in addition to Stripe fees, custom CSS, custom domain, and Zapier integration for $149 instead of $2,142. And License Tier 5: unlimited boards, 5,000 contacts, 50 GB storage, 25,000 emails per month, payment transaction fees, 2% plus 60 cents per charge, in addition to Stripe fees, custom CSS, custom domain, Zapier integration, and custom JavaScript for instead of $209 instead of $3,570. Features included in all plans: Raklet iOS and Android app, payment gateway integration, powered by Stripe, native Zoom integration for virtual events, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google integrations, job boards, weekly payout schedules, customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 13 reviews on the Appsumo. Trustpilot has only 1 review. G2 has only 6 reviews. And on Capterra, there are 55 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.